What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Working on the Skyline again today. And I know in the last video I told you guys that I had fixed some grounds to get the charging system working correctly. Since then, we've had issues with the alternator. So we're going to go ahead and change that thing out. And so it don't look like it's going to be too bad to get to. Probably take this charge pipe out. And maybe that might be enough to go ahead and pull it out. We'll see. Of course, you can't just go to the auto parts store and buy a Nissan Skyline alternator, right? So supposedly with a little modification, this thing's supposed to basically bolt right in. It looks like the wiring connections are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and get this other one out right quick, and we'll compare the alternators and see what we need to do. Alright, this wasn't too bad. I did modify the upper bracket a lot, but everything lines up good and we can still use the stock tensioner, so that works out pretty good. Nothing's tight yet, but I just figured I'd give a little status update. I'm gonna go ahead and work on tightening the bottom bolt and getting the tension set and hook the wires up, and that'll pretty much be it. Really wasn't too much to it. Alright, so now that we got everything put back together, let's start this thing up and see what we got. It's a lot better than 18.5. Let's see how she looks. Down there. Still holding at 14.7. Yeah. That's what I like. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. If you guys haven't already, hit the bell notification, select all, that way every time I put out a video you guys will know. And we'll see you next time.